Alright, March 10th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 8:45, coming to you from Ladysmith with a video lined up for you. Southbound on the way that met 345. See what this is. Let's lean back and get him. I see 804.13. How about that? And my fourth C6M rebuild in as well. What do you know? That should be the P902 or something else, but man, I gotta admit, that was very impressive. And off it will go to Stevens Point. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. See you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.